Oh boy, my boy Emeka just broke up with this Liberian girl the other day. Child, the girl called me for phone. They cry, they shout, say, hey, you Frakas Mofire, you Nigerian man, eh? Please, you might make my man Emeka come back to me. I miss that man. That man can be crazy and grown up, but I miss that man. Bring Emeka back to me, Frakas Mofire. I said, oh. He said, oh, the other day, let me tell you how it happened. Eh? The other day, I went to my ex-boyfriend. He touched me, and I touched him, and one thing led to the other, and it just happened. But it was never planned. Please tell Emeka, it was never planned. He made that we've been together for 6 months, and I've cheated on him 6 times. First time, second time, fourth time, fifth time. I said, so what? I only human. If it happened, it happened. It was never planned. Bring Emeka back to me. I miss my man, Emeka. Emeka is my own man. Frakas Mofire, I bring him back. If it happened, it happened. But it happened one time only. Okay, many times. So what? I only human.